What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can freshen up your trim pieces on your 99 to 02 Navigator, or really any vehicle at all. So you'll just need some spray paint, masking tape, a little bit of masking paper, and you should be good to go to do this install. All right, well, another Navigator update. We're going to get these girl slats painted black. We already got this side painted here, like I was talking about in the last video. Please check that out if you haven't seen it. We've just got this side left to paint up. As you can see, it's all gross, oxidized. We're gonna get the wiper blades going as well. But here is the grill. Came out pretty good. And we'll go ahead and get this painted. We'll get that other side masked off, and hopefully before the weather kicks in, we can get these painted and just get it a little freshened up a little bit more. So let's get a time lapse going and check in here in a minute. So right here you can see I started masking off the little area that I was going to paint. You'll do this on any piece of trim that you want to paint. It's pretty simple. Just mask around the corners. Make sure no paint's going to get through. All right, so we got everything masked off on this side panel. As you can see, so we're ready to paint it. So before the weather gets too crazy, we'll get this painted up, and we'll get the grill painted, the grill slats, and we should be good to go. All right, so we've got everything masked. I've moved it, so we're not gonna go ahead and overspray over on all the other vehicles. But go ahead and start shooting this. And we're just gonna go up and down motions like that. Get them covered up. And we'll do a couple coats. Unfortunately, it's just blowing away. I'm glad I moved it, but nice up and down motions. Get these covered. So as you can see, they're all coming out pretty nice. Then we'll go ahead and hit this side. I feel like this side's going on a lot better. Shakies. Okay. Hit the top real quick. Okay. So we'll let that dry. See how it comes out. All right, this side panel. Just gonna go side to side on it. About 6 inches. Fingers getting tired. Switch off. Freaking Lee cams. We'll go ahead and hit this back piece here. All right. It's not too bad for first coat. So looking good. Looking good. I got one more can, so we should be good. As you can see, the first coat's done. It's coming out pretty good. Go ahead and do the second coat now. All right, it's been a few minutes. Go ahead and hit the second coat here. Go a little less heavy on this one. I swear this can sprays better. Trying to get inside there on the black. I'm gonna go ahead and second coat here. Got the SIG 2 valve. Always like seeing that. We're going about 6 inches away right now to get good coverage. The other side came out a little stripey, so we're just trying to avoid that here. A little coat on the back. All right, that looks pretty good. Good enough for me. Come back, have a look at the front here. All right, so we're gonna do the final coat of black now, and then also I almost forgot, we're gonna paint these tow hooks red. So we got those masked off. Skip that because you guys already know what that looks like. So let's go ahead and get this going. All right, final coat will be quick. All right, let's hit this. Do you start shaking up the red? Of course, the wind kicks up right when I want to start painting. All right, that'll do for the black. Take that, thank you. And let's go ahead and shoot some of this red on these tow hooks.
It's so much better.
Yeah, that's gonna look sweet. It's gonna take a few coats though. Let me shoot underneath. for the inside. Make sure both these edges are good. Hopefully I'm recording this good, because I might not be. Oh, that should look pretty sweet. All right, we'll let it dry and do another coat. Okay, so unfortunately the GoPro died, so I'm not sure where we left off, but we're getting these hooks painted up. They're coming out awesome. Got the grill sprayed black, looks good. And we got this other side panel sprayed, which also looks really nice. So should match up good on this side and that side now. We just have the windshield wipers left to do, but I think we're gonna do that another day. So we'll go ahead and another coat of red on here. I mean, this red's looking real nice. Pretty happy with it. Do a couple more coats and then we'll get all this peeled off. All right, we'll go ahead and hit another coat of this red. Probably do one or two more, but just want it to look real good. Real bright. I mean, to be honest, I think that's probably good. That's like the fourth coat, so I'm not thinking we're gonna need much more. We'll let it dry and we'll start getting some of this tape out. All right, let's start pulling some of this tape and see what we look like here. I did all this and I was still like, man, I feel like I didn't mask it good enough. Should have put more paper on there. So, oh yeah, it's gonna look good, man. That may not have had previously. Oh, right, we'll have to get that off. Can't get everything perfect. Wow, look at that. Hey, that is way better than it was. And then I'll let it dry a little more before I get the little Lincoln sign peeled off. But man, that looks nice. Awesome. All right, let's get the front peeled off. Nice to me on coming off here. I was hoping it would come a little bit easier. Dang, look at that. That looks awesome. Really cleaned up the front end. Sweet. All right, last but not least, just launch the phone. Such a noob. Got 2 bleed through spots, but we'll get rid of those. All right, let's have our final look now. So we got our Lincoln badge cleaned off, and oh man, it looks, you know, it's not perfect, but Now you back up a little bit, it looks really clean, a lot better than the old oxidized plastic. See, Lincoln sign pops out a lot more now. Really sweet. I'll go around to the front. And now we have the blacked out inside of the grill here and the red tow hooks. Looks super clean. The grill came out awesome. A lot better than I anticipated. And then the red hooks just kind of make the front pop just a little bit more. So I'm real happy with this. Our next goal is going to be to do the windshield wipers and find a paint that's going to match this gray here and reshoot both parts of the front to get the front looking nice and brand new again. So super happy with how it came out. I think it looks a lot nicer than it did. Pops a little bit more. So there we go. Stay tuned, man. We'll start doing more, documenting more, and just making this a nice, sweet, retro SUV. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Like I said, we're gonna do a lot more, and we'll keep it going.